So let's get to the unboxing and the update. So I'm still waiting for a bunch of parts. Um, I did finally get in this, which is the last part I need for the 6-speed swap. This is the DSSR. So, well, no, that's just the shifter linkage. It's not an actual DSSR. But yeah, that's the last part I need for the 6-speed swap. So I'm going to be dropping that off sometime this week, and then we'll be getting that underway. But here is something I saw for a really good price. Oh gosh, there's a lot of packing peanuts in there that I did not know. Alright, so I'm going to have to lift top. Alright. I may be too close to you guys, but after I take the stuff out the box, I'll sit back down. But yeah, like lately, my allergies and stuff have just been super crazy. So I haven't really been able to be outside. I did go outside over the weekend for IFO. It was okay. My allergies weren't really bothering me too much, so yeah, luckily. But yeah, like, that's been my issue, besides the migraines every day. Like, literally right now, I have a terrible migraine. But yeah, it's just making my life super difficult, per usual, but it's usually not this bad. But yeah, it's super bad. So it's quite annoying. But yeah. I'm not even sure if you guys can see what I'm pulling out the box, but you know, if not, it'll be a nice surprise when I pull them out the packaging. But I'm quite sure there's some more stuff down there, because there are some clamps that I don't see unless it's here. Oh no, I feel nope, the clamps are there. So I'm not sure if you guys can see over here, but that should really be putting something over me. But yeah, like shoes. But anyhow, yeah. So these are some, as you guys can see, they're exhaust gallifolds, and they are coated, I believe, because they look like tan. Yeah, this is definitely just not working, but yeah, I don't really need to open them too much. Just like the main thing off. But I believe these are Supersprint exhaust gallifolds, and they're super light. So yeah, and they have V-bend clamps on the end. So yeah, let's pop open this one. And these things go for, I forget, they're like $1,500 or $1,700 for just the manifolds. Plus these are coated, so that also saves me like $300. I may header wrap them as well, but you know, I don't particularly have to, but I may just cause. Like, why not? The more heat I can keep out, the less heat soak I'll have to deal with. But yeah, Supersprint exhaust manifolds, very good quality, very expensive. And then this is a Bimmer World race pipe or something like that, unless this is the Supersprint header that's connected to the Y pipe. But it's the Y pipe that goes with, or MagnaFlow. Yeah, Bimmer World MagnaFlow. MagnaFlow Bimmer World Y pipe. Something like that. But yeah, this part connects into the other exhaust thing that I have. And if I can find a picture, I'll post it. But so what it's looking like I'm going to do is keep that part, connect it to this, and then get a new back section. So for the back section, I do have the dining one, and I'll put a picture of the dining one as well. But I'm gonna sell the dining one and get a different one that's like lighter weight one and more like straight through, so it doesn't have like that super huge muffler, maybe like two small resonators or something. I did find one, and I actually have to message guy and make sure that it's still available, and if it is, I'll get it. But I'm gonna list my dining one for sale today and see if I could sell it, because I got it for free and it is worth a good bit of money. Like used, they're like $600 to $800, so I could get rid of that, get the one that I'm looking at, and then use the money in between to get all these things put together, and it'll make a very nice, high flowing, very good quality, because these are very expensive parts. Like this set here, the Y pipe and the headers is, especially with the V bands that they put on, this is like maybe $2,200, and I didn't even I paid the tenth of that, let's just say. And then the other part that I have, the pipe that connects to this mid pipe or the drag pipe or the race pipe, whatever it's called, that's like $500 or $600. I got that for free. So literally, I have like a 4,000 currently, like with the exhaust galliford, with the down pipes, the Y pipe, the race pipe, mid pipe thingy, and then the dining exhaust. That's like a $4,200 exhaust setup that I paid a tenth for. So that would be pretty good. You know, I'm just blessed to be finding all of these great deals. So I'm just gonna have either John or an exhaust shop put the exhaust together, and then I'll probably just do the clamps again, like, because this one has V bands, so I might as well just continue the V band all the way through, so it's like easy to put on and take off if I ever need to do that. So yeah, but I'm actually very, very excited for this, because this is like a setup that I wanted for my first e36, but I definitely could not afford, like, even used, it would have probably been like $2,000 for an exhaust. Could not afford that. Not to mention getting it installed. Like, I didn't have a mechanic that I could actually like really trust to go to. Now I do, because having a team is very important, which I've been learning recently. So yeah, my guy John, aka Axion Motorsports, definitely a part of the team, and I highly recommend everybody go to him if they're anywhere near Massachusetts. But yeah, just for the update, so right now we're waiting for a conversion harness for the engine. I won't be getting into exactly what the conversion harness is for, but when it comes, I'll be unboxing it and showing you and installing it most likely in that one video. I do have some of the parts over there from it. Actually, I can't even show you because it'll just give away what it is. But I have the lots of the parts over there. So I also got a pusher start kit that I'm gonna install just because I'm a racer. The supercharger kit's here. The oil pump upgrade is here. Well, the oil pump nut upgrade is here. The Walbro dual 450 pumps here. That's old. The supercharger's sitting right here. So I've been talking to Hyde Motorworks, and we're gonna get them installed as soon as the car gets 6 speed swapped. I'm gonna drive around for like a week, break in the clutch and do everything like that, and then set up the install. And with the install, I have somebody who's going to tune the car, and it's actually pretty crazy. Like, I didn't expect it to happen, but hopefully with the video that I make with the car getting tuned and him working on the car and everything like that, that gives me some good exposure, because one, he's actually a really good tuner, and two, he has a very big channel. So like, that's the kind of thing that I'm looking to do this year, network with a lot of YouTubers and stuff like that. Like, I have it on my vision board. Like, I want to meet like Mike, Fresh Kicks, what do you call it, like Tall Guy, Mr. Organic, Kamacat, who else, TJ Millionaire Mentor, Bandman Kevo. Like, that's not all for this year, but like a lot of the California people I do want to meet this year, because what I want to do is, when the E36 is done, what my goal is, and I'm just gonna speak this into existence on video. I want to go on this versus that on Hoonigan, because people are always saying, "Oh, you should visit Hoonigan. You look like her." Blah blah blah. You guys will make some cool videos together. So if I'm going to do that, that is my goal. If not for this year, for early next year, I'm gonna bring the car to California, and be on this versus that. So that is like my biggest goal for like the next year, meaning like between a year from today, a year from today, I want to at least have that done. It's a big feat, but I feel like I could get that done. I can just speak to the powers that be and get that done. But yeah, I guess I'm done ranting for the video. Before this, you guys saw some stuff from IFO and everything, and yeah, I already recorded like a couple more videos, but they're half done because I'm waiting for parts and stuff like that. So in due time, I'll be what do you call it? I'll be bringing you guys more content when I can. Like, my health issues are kind of annoying, but I'm still gonna get it done. Not only for you guys, but for myself as well, because I want to document all this stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you got to this part, I really appreciate you. Watch time is very important. And I know my videos have been super boring lately, but it's all out of my hands. Like, I'm at the mercy of shipping and the pandemic and everything like that. So yeah. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. You already know. Drink water, motherfuckers.